Hello everyone, welcome back. When temperatures rise, smoothies become a daily essential. But not every personal blender can handle frozen fruit, ice cubes, and everyday use without struggling. That's why we've rounded up the best personal and portable blenders on the market today. Whether you want maximum blending power, true grab-and-go convenience, or the best value for your money, this countdown has you covered. Let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the KOIOS 900W Smoothie Blender. This is our top recommendation for anyone looking for incredible performance on a budget. With a peak power motor spinning up to 23,000 RPM, this compact machine rivals blenders that cost twice as much. It easily pulverizes ice, frozen berries, and leafy greens in under 10 seconds. You get two generous 22-ounce cups equipped with convenient carry hooks, making it incredibly easy to take your breakfast on your morning commute. The detachable 6-leaf stainless steel blade makes rinsing a breeze. While it operates on the louder side and requires a bit of liquid to keep the blending vortex moving smoothly, it offers unmatched power for its price. If you want a straightforward, heavy-duty personal blender that gets the job done quickly without breaking the bank, the KOIOS 900-watt model is a fantastic value. At number 4, we have the KitchenAid Go Cordless Personal Blender. This is the ultimate choice for wireless kitchen convenience. What makes this model truly unique is its swappable 12-volt max lithium-ion battery. This battery pack can be shared across KitchenAid's entire line of cordless appliances. You can charge the battery separately using a standard USB-C cable and store the compact blender base neatly in a drawer. In terms of everyday use, this is one of the quietest personal blenders on the market, making it perfect for early morning prep without waking up the entire house. It features a 16-ounce travel cup with a clever vortex-inducing design that pulls ingredients down into the blade. Because it is optimized for cordless battery efficiency, it does best with standard smoothies, protein shakes, and soft fruits. If you want a sleek, incredibly quiet, wire-free blending experience from a trusted brand, the KitchenAid Go is a beautiful addition to any modern kitchen. Moving to number 3, it's the nutribullet Turbo Personal Blender. This is our top pick for high-velocity countertop blending. If you make dense, multi-ingredient smoothies every single morning, this corded powerhouse is built for you. Packing a massive 1,000-watt motor, it powers through stubborn ingredients like raw seeds, nuts, and fibrous kale with zero hesitation. Operation is completely automated and hands-free. You simply lock the cup onto the motor base, and it runs a pre-programmed 45-second cycle that shuts off automatically once your drink is perfectly silky. It comes with two heavy-duty Triton cups in 32-ounce and 24-ounce sizes, plus convenient flip-top travel lids. Keep in mind, this powerful motor requires a standard wall outlet and does not have manual speed controls. But if you want maximum power, large cup capacities, and zero guesswork, the nutribullet Turbo is a true countertop workhorse. At number 2, we have the gorgeous Beast Mighty 850 Compact Personal Blender. This is our pick for premium design and thermal performance. This blender is an absolute masterpiece of kitchen design, featuring a powerful 850-watt motor with smart speed ramping technology. It runs an automated 60-second cycle that automatically pauses to let ingredients settle before finishing with high-speed blending for the silkiest possible texture. The crown jewel of this package is the double-wall stainless steel vessel. This innovative, non-toxic, and non-porous design keeps your smoothies icy cold for up to 12 hours. It is perfect for blending a refreshing drink at home and taking it with you for later in the day. The fluted internal geometry of the vessels generates incredible turbulence, successfully folding ingredients back into the blade to prevent air pockets. If you want a gorgeous, premium personal blender built with top-tier materials that look beautiful on your counter, the Beast Mighty is a spectacular choice. And taking our top spot is the revolutionary Ninja Blast Max Portable Blender. This is the absolute king of cordless on-the-go portability. The standout innovation here is the unique twist-and-go detachable vessel. This brilliant design allows you to twist the 22-ounce cup off the motor base, leaving the battery-powered base behind. This cuts the carrying weight of your travel cup in half, so you only carry the lightweight vessel with its leak-proof sip lid and silicone handle. Driven by an 11.1-volt high-torque battery, it packs incredible crushing power for a cordless unit. It features 3 intelligent Auto IQ programs for smoothies, ice crushing, and blending, along with a dedicated pulse button. With a battery life of up to 25 blends per charge and a real-time battery indicator, you never have to guess when it's time to plug in. For the perfect combination of true cordless portability, intelligent programs, and outstanding crushing power, the Ninja Blast Max earned its place as our number 1 pick. So which blender is right for you? If you're looking for the best value, the KOIOS is a great pick. For cordless convenience, check out the KitchenAid Go. If power is your priority, the nutribullet Turbo delivers. For premium design and long-lasting cold drinks, go with the Beast Mighty. But if you want the best all-around portable blender, the Ninja Blast Max takes our top spot. Check the links in the description below, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.